In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open files in Google Drive on the web. Google Drive has become an essential tool for many, allowing for easy storage and access to files from virtually anywhere. Whether you're using it for work, school, or personal use, knowing how to efficiently open files in Google Drive can help streamline your workflow and improve productivity. Let's get started. First, we'll need to access Google Drive. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser. Google Chrome, of course, is a popular choice, but any modern browser will work just fine. In the address bar, type in drive.google.com and hit enter. If you're not logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Make sure to use the account where your files are stored. Once you're in Google Drive, the interface will display your files and folders. It's a lot like a file explorer on your computer, but it's online. You can navigate through folders, much like you would on your desktop. If you have a lot of files, the search bar at the top is your best friend. Just type in the name of the file you're looking for, and Google Drive will show you all the related files. Now, let's say you want to open a specific file. Simply click on the file once. If it's a Google Doc, sheet, or slide, it will open directly in the corresponding app within your browser. You'll notice that these files have distinct icons: a blue rectangle for docs, a green table for sheets, and a yellow slab for slides. These apps are robust and offer a range of features that make editing within your browser a breeze. For non-Google file types like PDFs or Microsoft Office documents, Google Drive can still open them for you. Click on the file, and Google Drive's preview feature will kick in. This is a quick way to view the document without downloading it. But if you need to edit it, particularly a Microsoft Office document, you'll be prompted to use Google's native formats or respective plugins like Office Online for edits. If you're working collaboratively, another handy tip is to share the file with others directly from the drive. Simply right-click the file and select Share. Here you can invite others by entering their email addresses, adjusting permissions on whether they can view, comment, or edit. Once you're done with any file, remember to click back to return to the main drive view. This practice ensures you're ready to access the next file quickly without losing your place. That wraps up our guide on how to open files in Google Drive on the web. With these steps, you'll be navigating and opening your files with ease, making you a Google Drive Pro in no time. Thank you for watching.